This is your boy Geeky T, and I'm back with another video. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and click that goddamn bell. Go ahead and click the bell. And make sure you also follow me on my social media. Instagram is at Trey_Shun24. Snapchat is Live4_self. Again, that is Instagram Trey_Shun24. Instagram, that what it was. I was gonna repeat it again. But anyway, and Snapchat is at Live_self. Live for yourself, you guys. Live for yourself. So as you can see by the title, we're gonna hop right on into this video. Okay, so what's up, you guys? This is your boy Geeky T, and I'm back with another video. So since everybody's in an uproar about these chicken sandwiches, and since I got me a little coupon in the mail from Chicky, baby, let's see what they giving, honey. Let's see. But now, y'all, I actually have been eating Popeyes chicken sandwich for I don't know how long, and baby, bussin'. So I want you guys to see the full experience of the whole thing. I'm finna order. Hello.
Do you have a name?
Rashad.
And did you need the sandwich or the fries? Or the nuggets, I'm sorry.
The sandwich. Am I able to get it spicy?
I think it's just for the regular. I'm sorry about
Okay,
that.
that's fine.
And I can take it. There's a bag. There's a barcode on the back. Did you need any sauce or comments with that?
Mayo and ketchup.
And can I get you anything else?
No, that's all.
Okay, you can just follow the car right in front of you.
All right. Well, y'all, I was trying to do the spicy ones, but it's just for the regular one. But I am gonna get the spicy because I like the spicy one at Popeyes. And y'all, he had a booger in him now. He might hear me. I don't get no fuck. He had booger in him, motherfucker. No, the fuck. But I wanted to tell him. Would I been wrong if I would have told him? Like, I could have reached up in here and been like, "Here, sir, can you get that booger out your nose?" Like, would have they been wrong? I don't know. You know, he's working customer service. I don't know. Like, one of his coworkers should have told him, "Look, Ben, I need you to go to the bathroom for about 5 minutes and just get that, just touch up your nose, baby. Just touch up your nose." Like, he ain't got a coworker or a friend up here. My hair look all over the place. But he ain't got a coworker or a friend up here because somebody should have told him. Chick-fil-A, y'all ain't got no good coworkers and friends. Cause baby, if I'm at work and I got a booger in my nose, baby, my friends better tell me. Don't sit up here and let me talk to people and I got boogers in my nose. A little under 5 minutes, and let's see. Am my mayo and ketchup is in the bag. So we on to place number 2. I'll be back once I make it there. Okay, I done made it to Popeyes. Popeyes! And I'm in a long line. It won't be 5 minutes, I'll tell you that. Okay, y'all, we done finally, is we here? I think we done made it, y'all. Yes, can I have a number 10?
The number 10?
Yes.
Okay, for your side?
Fries?
Okay, for your drink?
I'll do a Coke, a large Coke with light ice.
Large Coke?
Yeah, light ice.
Okay, is that all for you?
That's all.
Okay, you total 730, you can drive around the window.
All right.
What? Like this?
Well, y'all, we finally made it to order our food. Do you hear me? And we have 3 cars in front of us. Excuse me, y'all. It's been a long. I've been in line for like 15, 20 minutes. All for this damn YouTube. Y'all better like, subscribe, comment, share. I need more subscribers. We at 61. We moving on up. Whoop, whoop. We at 61 subscribers. We moving on up, but we need more, baby boy. I need more. I need more of you. Whatever I need to do. Okay, I'm done. I'm hungry. Who y'all ready? Who about to die? And we ready to eat. We just wait. We're waiting. And waiting. Baby girl waiting. I need a nap, y'all. I think these chicken sandwiches, I'm taking a nap. Yeah. I guess I'll come back on when we get to the window because clearly it's gonna be a long time.
Okay, y'all. Out of waiting 20 motherfucking look, line wrapped around the building. Wrapped. After waiting 20 motherfucking years to get this shiznai, now we head to the house so we can try these chicken sandwiches. Hey y'all, I had to come back. One thing I can say, when I got that Chick-fil-A in the car, ain't smell nothing like when I got this Popeyes in the car. Baby, this damn Popeyes smells so good. Like, you can smell it. Like, oh, I wish y'all could just smell it. Ooh, it smells so good. But yeah, I just had to come back and tell y'all that I'm here to the house now. So, I've made it home, you guys, and I got the chicken sandwiches. Hold on. Oh, wrong side. I got the chicken sandwiches. Chick. Got the chicken sandwiches or whatever. We're gonna go ahead and get into it because you know your boy is hungry as motherfucker. You know what I'm saying, you know. So, since I stopped at Chick-fil-A first, I'm gonna get Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna add a little something to my Chick-fil-A sandwiches. I always do. And with Chick-fil-A, I got the regular because I had a coupon. It was just for a regular chicken sandwich, not the spicy one. Usually when I go, I get the spicy. But yeah, I can't get into it. But anyway, I got mayo. I like mayo on my chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A. So I got mayo. And I usually get cheese added to it, but since the damn, I can't open this shit, Chick-fil-A. But since I knew I wasn't gonna get any added on the other chicken sandwich, I didn't do it. And so with the other chicken sandwich, I don't add anything to it. I just eat it as is. So, just by the looks, I just want to show you guys the looks. Mondo burger. Nah. But this is Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A, you know. You know, I put my mayo and stuff on there. And it comes with the pickles. And this is the Popeyes. Got this spicy sauce, baby. Got them big ass pickles on there. I'm sorry, my light, y'all can't see. Oh well, y'all be alright. I got my drink. And we finna eat, baby. Okay, here we go. Baby, this Chick-fil-A is good. And I love Chick-fil-A pickles. Yeah. I'm trying to go to this Popeyes, but this sandwich is so good. I'm gonna go to the Popeyes. Yeah. Okay, Chick-fil-A. Let me get one more little bite, y'all. Okay, Chick-fil-A. That sandwich is good. The bread is real soft. The pickles, I love it. I love Chick-fil-A pickles. Like you know, it was good. Okay, moving along to this big motherfucker. Everybody been talking about some, oh, you crazy if you think Popeyes is putting Chick-fil-A out of business. I mean, the sandwich is good. I ain't even tasted it yet. I'm saying it's good because I done already tasted before now. But I want to taste them at the same time and see which taste buds like which one the best. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Popeyes giving Chick-fil-A a run for their money. I will say this. The bread quality of Chick-fil-A is better than Popeyes. And I like Chick-fil-A pickles better than Popeyes. But the sandwich is still, I think I have to get this Popeye. Yeah, this good. Mm, mm, mm. Y'all gonna have to excuse me. Uh, that sauce is so good, y'all. Mm. These some big ass pickles though. They good. Seems like it's more of a cucumber and they did something to it to make it, I don't know. It give me like cucumber vibes. That pickle do. And I love cucumbers now. Mm. Y'all, big Popeyes paid for this. They paid for this shit, y'all. Mm. Popeyes paid on this shit. I ain't lying to y'all. But y'all, make sure y'all go and check out Popeye's new spicy chicken sandwich. I ain't never tasted the original one, but go check it out. Cause y'all, your boy is loving it. Your boy is loving it. Yeah, boy. Mm-hmm. I'm finna be up out of him. Cause I'm finna eat both of these chicken sandwiches. Don't y'all judge me. Don't judge me. Okay? That's what you're not gonna do. Don't judge me. Okay? But I'm finna go ahead eat these chicken sandwiches. And I'll holler at y'all later. But I got to eat. Okay, y'all. I know I said I was gone. I left because I ate. And now I'm back. I'm so full, y'all. Oh, I'm so full. Oh, y'all, I feel so good. I'm finna take a nap. But I just wanted to come back and do a review. I'm sorry. I don't know if y'all can hear me. Hopefully y'all can. But anyway, I just want to come back and do a review. So with the chicken sandwiches, both of them bring something different to the table. Chick-fil-A, their bread is really, really good. It's real soft. It just tastes so good in your mouth. And then the pickles are really, really good. You know. And also with Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwiches, because I've had those before, it's already spicy. Like the chicken itself is spicy. Excuse me, y'all. With Popeyes, the bread isn't bad, but it ain't as good as Chick-fil-A bread. The pickles, they kind of had like a fresh cucumber taste to it, but it's kind of like they mixed it with something. I don't know. I ain't even went to check out how they do their pickles, but it kind of, to me, it kind of tastes like a little cucumbers, but it was really fresh, like fresh cucumbers, and it was seemed like it was freshly cut, and they prepared it some way to make it a pickle or something. I don't know, y'all. That's just how it felt to me when I tasted. And then that spicy sauce, hallelujah. My God, my God. That spicy sauce. Y'all just don't understand. It's so good. It's so good, y'all. It's so good. It's so good. Oh, I'm about to cry for real. I got tears in my eyes. But that spicy chicken sandwich is good. That sauce is good. It's big, you know. Oof. Now with the services, I was at Chick-fil-A for 5 minutes. And I went during the time lunch hour. I went during lunch hour because I wanted everything fresh. And everything was fresh. That's what I can say. From both places, everything was fresh. Chick-fil-A, I was only in line for like 5 to 6 minutes. And when I went to Popeyes, it was more like 30 minutes. So yeah, well, I'll say 20 to 30. Probably 30. Think with 30. I didn't keep up with the time because I was in line so long. Now that's the only thing that I did not like about Popeyes. I was in line too long. As far as both of them, the people doing customer service, they did good. You know, I don't have any complaints. But yeah, I just wanted to try to break it down a little bit for you guys. But yeah. Y'all, I'm finna take me a nap now. Peace, love, happiness. Bye.